This is worse. Can't, I can't, I can't process myself. And I don't know. Feel like I'm being reset sa, sa state na blanco. Having identity crisis. Identity crisis. And that is suffocating and also disturbing. And after that, I still recapping kung ano bang purpose ko. And when I'm doing that, I'm trying my best to express myself when feeling isn't much. It feels exhausting. Well, this is what my reality is as for now. Probably I can do to fix those things, but words don't fix this feeling. The chaotic psychological corruption happening inside of my mind, the confusion, the existential dreads is suffocating. Trying to understand this world, this existence, this reality I'm making is actually chaotic and overwhelming. You sometimes just being goofy or joker about things just to avoid looking on bad things you vibing with the 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 bad feelings. That is terrible when it's there. It's make you think you're not enough, you're doing wrong, and I can just counter it by trying to fix sinking my subconscious to think I'm okay. There's a reason. It's survival challenges. At saka tinatapalan ko na lang yung negativity minsan na nararanasan ko. I'm just trying to be mature to understand this feeling when the confusion about myself, identity, and purpose on this world is being scattered around on my thoughts, on my feelings. And yeah, no matter what, no matter how bad is it or how full is it, there's still a side when I'm happy, I'm so excited, and I'm so motivated with things. Maybe I can just handle the bad feelings. Pero hindi ko dapat tusukuan. Dapat nawain ko na lang. Masa na titigil din tong masamang pakiramdam. So yun, gagawin ko ang pinaka-best ko. Gagawa ako ng legacy sa mundong ito. Main character ang goal. Joke lang, joke lang. I'm just being sarcastic. Anyway, so yun lang. Well, let's try to create something interesting on this existence. And support me, guys. I want to see you grow and also see me grow. So, magsuportahan lang tayo dito. Walang negativity kasi we are all experiencing bad sides of life naman na magintindihan na lang tayo lahat. Isang kopya lang naman tayo ng marami ding mga tao. Mag-unawa na lang tayo at magtulungan sa mga buhay natin. So, maraming salamat. I'm just sharing a good vibes with people and spoke about my personal struggles and yeah. So, bye. Hope you understand. Hope na unawaan mo tong ganitong mga contents. Kung hindi naman, well, like, comment at subscribe ka lang. And you're free to pass na kung ayaw. Bye.